Good morning, students of standard 12. Today we are going to study topic drug and alcohol abuse from chapter 8, human health and disease. Drug and alcohol abuse. The frequent consumption of drug and alcohol in higher amount that impairs physical and mental function is called as drug and alcohol abuse. The frequent consumption of drug. So students, the frequent, that is very quick consumption, that is addiction of drug and alcohol, and that also in higher amount, that is in higher concentration, impairs, that is damages or interferes with the physical and mental function. So students, the frequent consumption of drug and alcohol in very higher concentration that further interferes the physical and the mental function is called as drug and alcohol abuse. Students, drug and alcohol abuse actually is the addiction of the person to drug and alcohol. So students, due to the huge consumption of drug and alcohol, the person is not able to think properly, because the brain, which is doing all the mental activities, is not able to do its work. Even the physical development gets restricted due to the drug and alcohol abuse. The frequently used drugs are tobacco, hallucinogens, cocaine, tobacco, hallucinogens and cocaine. So students, these are the most frequently used drugs. Tobacco, it is obtained from tobacco plant. There is presence of nicotine in it. It affects adrenal gland to secrete adrenaline. So students, tobacco is obtained from tobacco plant. But in tobacco, the most harmful component which remains present is nicotine. Students, nicotine affects adrenal gland. Students, we know that adrenal gland remains present on the top of kidney. So students, if this is the kidney, then this is the adrenal gland. So students, adrenal gland secretes a particular type of hormone that is called as adrenaline. So students, here you can easily notice the adrenaline hormone which is secreted from the adrenal gland. Now students, the most important function of adrenaline is to increase the blood pressure and the heartbeat. So students, you can easily understand with the help of this picture that when the person is taking tobacco filled in his cigarette, then the nicotine is entering in his mind, and this nicotine which is present in his mind, in his brain, is further activating the adrenal gland to secrete adrenaline. Students, the more adrenaline will be secreted, the more blood pressure of the person will increase, and even the heart beat will increase. Hallucinogen. It is obtained from Atropa, belladonna and dhatura. It affects cerebrum. So students, hallucinogen actually is obtained from Atropa, belladonna, which you can see here, and also from dhatura, and it affects the cerebrum. Students, we know that cerebrum comprises of the major part of the brain. So students, here we can easily notice the plant Atropa belladonna which is present here. So students, this plant which is the Atropa belladonna, we can see here, from this plant hallucinogens are being extracted and is used as drug. Students, when a person consumes drug, hallucinogen extracted from Atropa belladonna, then the thinking capability, the learning potential, both of these two gets affected because both of these two functions are controlled by cerebellum. So students, we can say that hallucinogen is one of the harmful drugs which is being taken by the adolescents. Cocaine. It is obtained from Erythroxylum coca. It affects CNS and interferes with the transport of dopamine. Students, cocaine is actually obtained from Erythroxylum coca, which is the scientific name of a plant. So students, Erythroxylum coca, you can also notice here in this picture, which has been written in a short form here, as coca. So students, cocaine is actually obtained from the erythroxylum coca, which affects the central nervous system. So students, when we say CNS, that represents central nervous system, and students, when the cocaine affects the central nervous system, then the transmission of the dopamine also gets affected. Students, dopamine actually is a neurotransmitter the main work of which is to contribute in the transmission of nerve impulse. Transmission of nerve impulse. So students, the transmission of nerve impulse also gets affected by the consumption of cocaine. So students, cocaine, that is why, is very harmful drug. The consumption of alcohol affects cerebellum. Students, if anyone consumes a huge amount of alcohol, then we can quite commonly see and notice that the person is not able to maintain its equilibrium because the alcohol affects the cerebellum of the brain. Friends, here also in this picture you can easily notice that the person after consuming the alcohol is not able to stand straight and rather falls down on the ground. So students, this is because of the excessive alcohol intake. Students, now let's discuss important question. What are various types of drug consumed by adolescents in drug abuse? The following are the types of drug consumed by adolescent: cocaine, tobacco, and hallucinogens. Thank you, friends.